Hello guys, welcome to channel. In this video we are talking about how to fix Blink Sync module failed to connect, which is showing incorrect Wi-Fi password. To fix the Blink Sync module connection issue due to an incorrect Wi-Fi password, you have to follow some steps. First of all, you have to forget and re-enter the Wi-Fi password. In the Blink app, go to Sync module setting and then select change Wi-Fi network. After that, you have to re-enter the correct password. Follow the on-screen instruction to select your Wi-Fi network and carefully re-enter the correct Wi-Fi password. Then you have to restart a sync module. Unplug the sync module from the power outlet and wait for 10 seconds and then plug it back in. And then you have to wait for sync module to reboot and try to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. If the issue persists, double check the Wi-Fi password and ensure there are no type error. Also, you have to ensure your Wi-Fi network is functioning correctly, and then you have to check your device is within the range of your router. Hopefully this video help you to fix the Blink Sync module failed to connect. Thanks for watching.